Hello Cloud Warriors, welcome back to another CCSK version 5 video. In today's video, we are going to dive into Domain 12, that is related technologies and strategies. We will explore how AI and Zero Trust are reshaping the cloud security. Let's unlock this domain together, fast, focused and exam ready. To start with, we will go through the learning objectives of this video. In this domain, we will cover the benefits of integrating AI into threat and vulnerability management, the role of artificial intelligence in the cloud security, and the core components of a Zero Trust architecture. Section 1. AI in Threat and Vulnerability Management. Let's talk AI. AI is transforming threat detection and vulnerability management by identifying patterns across massive dataset, predicting threats before they occur, automating detection and response. With machine learning, AI can flag anomalies in behavior or access patterns, like spotting a compromised account or identifying a misconfigured storage bucket. Think of it as having a 24/7 digital security analyst that never sleeps and only gets smarter. Section 2. AI's role in cloud security. AI plays a broader role in cloud security too. It helps with continuous monitoring across hybrid environments, policy enforcement based on contextual risk, adaptive authentication, tightening security based on behavior. AI also supports compliance automation, insider threat detection, and incident triage. In short, AI scales security in ways humans simply can't. Section 3. Zero Trust Cybersecurity Approach. Now let's talk Zero Trust, the security model that's taking over the cloud. The basic principle is never trust, always verify. Even if a user is inside the network, they must prove who they are and what they should access. Key components of Zero Trust are strong identity and access management (IAM), device health verification, least privilege access, micro-segmentation, continuous monitoring and analytics. Zero Trust isn't a product, it's a mindset, and it's perfect for security dynamic cloud environments. To recap, AI is your ally in detecting threats faster and smarter. Cloud security is evolving with AI-powered automation, and Zero Trust is your blueprint for next-generation defense. That's a wrap for the Domain 12, that is related technologies and strategies. If you found this helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Please hit the bell icon for more CCSK and cloud security related topics. Drop a comment if you want to deep dive into any of these topics. This was our last video for the CCSK version 5 tutorials. Please stay tuned to this playlist if you want to recap all the videos discussed in this series. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time and patience. Please stay tuned to our channel and see you in the next video. Bye.